88 degrees, we swam all, then it was night. The weatherman put his tornado watch. Oh, I look outside, it was funnel clouds.